Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Leonardo Malihan Minicio, better known through his alias Nardong Putik, was a Filipino gangster who mainly operated in the province of Cavite. He famously credited his ability to survive and escape numerous ambushes and gunfights to his anting-anting. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Ipinanganak si Minicio noong March 25, 1923 sa Sabang Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Leonardo's baptism as an infant was Jose Barzaga as godfather, who belonged to a wealthy family, whose offspring were prominent lawyers, landowners, and politicians in the town. His father, Juan Minicio, was a farmer and politician of some consequence in his town and enjoyed a long time centered around the prominent Karungkong, Manggubat, and Barzaga families. Dahil sa pagkipag-alyansa ng kanyang ama sa mga Barzaga, naging target ang kanyang ama na si Juan Minicio at pinatay at ninakawan ang kanyang mga alagang hayop at kalabaw sa kanilang tahanan noong 1944 ng kanyang mga karibal sa politika, na kabilang ang isang armadong grupong gerilya sa ilalim ni Colonel Emiliano de la Cruz mula sa Baryo Paliparan, Dasmariñas. Si De la Cruz ay nag-agawan para sa kontrol sa turf sa Dasmariñas, kasama ang isang karibal na armadong unit ng gerilya sa ilalim ni Colonel Stanislao Manggubat Karungkong. And in these circumstances, Putik took revenge for the injustice his family suffered at the hands of these cattle rustlers. Dahil dito, Minicio was drawn into factional politics in Dasmariñas and was soon appointed as the police officer in Dasmariñas by then Mayor Felicissimo Karungkong in 1944. Inarkila bilang isang ganap na armadong retainer ng makapangyarihang grupo ng pamilya sa Dasmariñas ang alyansang Karungkong, Manggubat, Barganza, and in his new capacity brought his father's murderers to justice one by one. Si Putik ay kinasal kay Feliciana, ngunit nagkaroon ng maraming asawang common law. Nagkaroon siya ng isang kilalang anak na lalaki, si Leonardo Jr., at dalawang kilalang anak na babae, sina Angelita at Estrelleta, kasama ang kanyang legal na asawa. Philippine Constabulary files show Minicio was involved in various criminal cases, which range from illegal possession of firearms to kidnapping, armed robbery, and murder starting from 1948. Among the major cases which Minicio was involved in were the infamous Maragondon Massacre in 1952, where the mayor, police chief, and several policemen were killed with hunting knives, and the 1957 Election Day killing of Lieutenant Colonel Laureano Maranya, then Provincial Commander of Cavite, and 7 others. Cavite politicians were also found to have been in league with the Minicio, utilizing him in their struggle for political supremacy. Minicio led a group of roving bandits engaged in kidnapping, robbery, car theft, murder, marijuana growing, protection, and murder for hire as a gunman for Cavite's politician. Nang maglaon, nakipag-ugnayan si Minicio sa mag-amang tandem nina Liberal Senator Justiniano at Gobernador Delfin Montano ng Amayatan sa Cavite, at panghuli kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos, Gobernador Lino Bucalan at Vice Governor Dominador Camirino. Ayon sa Cavite News, nakuha ni Manisio ang pangalang yun dahil kilala siyang lumubog sa putik sa mga kalabaw gamit ang mga tangkay ng kawayan o papaya bilang mga tubo sa paghinga sa tuwing kailangan niyang umiwas sa pulis o militar. On October 10, 1971, Manicio's red Chevrolet Impala came upon a task force highway checkpoint between Panamitan and Kawit. Manicio refused to obey the signals for him to stop, and the 20 assembled agents and police officers opened fire, killing him almost instantly. On Manicio's death, some of his men were later arrested and charged and convicted in court for murder and other offenses. The killing was also met with mixed reactions in Cavite, as he had built a reputation as a local Robin Hood, given that his criminal exploits mainly targeted the rich. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Christina, Queen of Sweden, dignity is like a perfume. Those who use it are scarcely conscious of it.